test?
Yes, I am.
First, tell me your full name.
My full name is Vetumi, but you can call me Sky. Is my nickname.
Sky, how old are you now?
I'm 10 years old.
Where do you live, Sky?
I live in Chengdu.
Where do you live, Sky?
I live in Chengdu.
And where do you study?
I study at Chengdu Primary School.
What grade? What grade are you?
The school is one of the bigger schools in town.
Sky, what do you like to do in your free time?
I like the road.
Playing jackfruit. Sky, are you good at playing badminton?
Yes, I am very good in.
And how do you go to school?
I walk to school.
And how do you stay safe when you go to school?
I always put on sunscreen.
What type of art do you like, Sky?
I like music
Why?
because it's colorful.
Sky, what did you eat for lunch and what did you drink with lunch?
I eat spaghetti and I drink water.
Okay. Now let's proceed to part 2, your dream job, Sky. Sky, what do you want to be?
I want to be a YouTuber.
What are you going to do about your dream job?
I'm going to make videos about game and travel.
Good. And what are you going to wear for the job?
I wear t-shirt.
And what are you going to do to achieve to become a YouTuber?